Well, what's the story when it comes to engineering conglomerate L&T? The fact of the matter is that the company has been on an order winning spree of late, particularly the construction arm, which has secured significant orders in the heavy civil infrastructure, power transmission as well as distribution business. So let's start off then with some of the recent orders that L&T has bagged. You've got a mega contract. This is from the NHSRCL to construct the 87.6 kilometer of the Mumbai-Ahmedabad high-speed rail project. This is popularly, of course, referred to as the bullet train project, which is classified upwards of 7,000 crore rupees, and this is in the mega category. So that's a huge order that the company has bagged. Not just that, they also got another order from the Rapid Transit System infrastructure order. This is in UP to execute a new dedicated high-speed, high-capacity rail project in the Delhi-Ghaziabad-Meerut corridor. So that too is coming in as a huge positive for the company. Separately, the company's transmission distribution business won a slew of orders. This came in the international market from Nepal as well as in Saudi Arabia. In Nepal, they won an order to design, supply and install a gas insulated substation. In Saudi Arabia, it was the establishment of transmission links coming in, so that too came in as a huge positive. There were multiple orders as well in the water treatment segment, where the company won from the Punjab Water Supply and Sewage Board. There was an order that was also secured from the Gujarat Water Infrastructure sector, and repeat order coming in as well from the Bangalore Water Supply and Sewage Board. So that was very encouraging. There was a construction as well of the two towers in Mumbai with a built-up area of about 10 lakh square feet coming in for L&T. And you also had the company bagging the EPC of a 220 kV gas insulated substation with connected substations as well coming in. Not just that, just very recently as well, the company secured an order from Tata Steel. This was to supply 46 units of Komatsu mining equipment for their iron ore and coal mines as well. While they didn't specify the value of these contracts, we understand that it was one of the biggest ever orders that the company has bagged. So that too coming in as a huge positive, which means that L&T so far has secured an order value in Q3 of around 42,300 crore rupees, which is very commendable given that now things are normalizing and the kind of run rate we've seen in the previous quarters. For instance, in Q1, it was at about 23,500 crores, in Q2, 28,000 crore rupees. So given that they already have about 42,300 crores, that's a big positive. Analysts also viewing this as a huge benefit, saying that they've revised the FY21 order inflow up to 1.27 lakh crores from 1.05 lakh crores. They believe that ordering and particularly execution can pick up in the second half of the year, and incremental returns will be driven by actual traction in the ordering activity, and that the company is well placed to emerge stronger given their financial, technical as well as managerial ability. The stock as well in the last 1 month has gained about 30%, and from its 52-week low has been up nearly 75%.